Hey everybody, Lee from URC here at CEDIA 2022. We're showing off our HDA audio line. Very excited about the flexibility and great applications that you can do with our product. The line is all AVB based for no latency and easy sharing across the network. It is a full complete line. Every unit has onboard DSP with crossovers, with parametric EQ, with signal sensing, with ducking, with paging. Very complete. We range from a 16-channel unit, and I mentioned channels, not zones, because we can break out the channels independently for separate zones and for any combination. With the onboard crossovers, we can do great things like a subsat system, 4.1, 2.1, however we want to do it with our speaker setup. It gives you a lot of flexibility. So we have a 16-channel unit, an 8-channel unit, and we have two different 2-channel units. And the key with these guys is not only the power, because those 4 and 8 zone units are 100 watts a channel into 8 ohm, 200 watts a channel into 4 ohm, and are 2.66 ohm stable. The big 2-channel is 600 watts a channel into 8 ohm or 70 volt. You heard that right, this is a 70 volt amplifier, or 1200 watts into 4 ohm. And we can run it in hybrid mode, where one channel runs 70 volt, the other channel runs low Z, that we can do great options like a subsat system in our commercial applications with pendant speakers and subs, or a landscape package to run 70 volt on our satellites and low Z on our subs. Very flexible, tons of power, and these are great sounding ICE power amplifiers. We also have solution pieces in a small 2-channel amplifier that can be PoE plus or PoE plus plus powered, or use the included power supply. Small little guy that uses the heatsink as a chassis, so it's small enough to fit behind your display. Run your non-powered sound bar, run 2 or 4 speakers in the ceiling in a conference room. This guy is 30 watts a channel in 8 ohm or 50 watts a channel into 4 ohm. It does also have a pre-out that can be used for a subwoofer, and we have 2 inputs on it. Works great for commercial applications like a conference room. We have a solution piece that can be an input or an output. I can do an audio feed into a local receiver. I can have a local source like a turntable or a jukebox that can feed back into the system. And with all the devices have signal sensing, I can even do auto ducking to have that source override other sources in the system. Can do that with microphones too. Didn't mention on the big guy, that has a balanced input that can also be used as 2 microphone inputs that we can do ducking and paging from. All built on the AVB platform. We even have our own AVB switch, so we don't have to get into really expensive third-party AVB switching. That makes the line pretty complete. We'll have a separate video to talk about some of the specific commercial applications and really cool features and some of the use cases in another video. Check out www.urc-automation.com for more info.